Hello, this is Ruijun Shen and Yunyang, and this is our 2020 programming contest outcome, AI bot for Pong. The main Pong game program is downloaded from MathWorks website, developed by David Buckingham.
URL is shown on the screen.
The original Pong program is a human versus human game, and players uses W and S arrow and top and down arrow to control the two pedals. To make our bot working, three main changes is down in our main program.
First change is we commented out the original control of player 1. Second is we added our boot function in the program. And the third is we changed the pedal speed from 1 to 0.5 to increase the difficulty of the game.
This is the demonstration of our bot. The left side player is the bot, and the right hand side player is human player. Our goal is to think of the best algorithm to make the AI. The program has 3 versions, and during the first version, we initially thought that if we make the y-axis of the pedal always the same as the ball, our AI will be as strong as AlphaGo. Or maybe not. Let's develop the second version. The algorithm of this version is whenever the ball bounces and its movement track will bend it, the AI predicts the final location the ball will be at when its x value arrives in front of the goal. We applied calculus and some geometries, and we found out the equations for the y value the pedal is going to, for the ball is bouncing odd or even times at the edge respectively. Once we finished the coding of this part, we found the pedal is just moving arbitrarily. We used the debug feature of MATLAB tried to solve this, but it is not very helpful. So we used an old technique, printing the change in variables every time we called function. And does we made the algorithm wrong? No, we just forgot a negative sign of the slope. And everything looks right after the negative sign was added. The AI turned to be working correctly, however it can still be improved. After the AI got its hit and the ball is moving towards right, AI is keep trying predicting and still moving ceaselessly. Normally we don't do that. In a badminton or tennis championship, athletes always go back to the middle after they hit the ball. It is a technique in sports to increase their chance of getting the next ball. With this idea, we then made an advanced algorithm that made the pedal move back to the middle if it gets hit and the ball is moving towards the opponent. This made it seem smarter and also increases the chance that the pedal catches the next hit.
Let us talk about some future improvements. When we are reviewing our developed process of this AI bot, we find an interesting technique specific to this Pong game. In original Pong game, there is no wall behind pedals. In this Pong game, this short wall and the pedal create a little gap that can be used to accelerate the ball. It might be possible to let the AI bot do the same action and make it more aggressive. We did not finish that because of bugs and time limits, but this is one future improvements we can think of. Thank you for watching and hope this video brings you some joy.